You promised yourself a better life, and you're running out of time to keep that promise. Not your parents, not your teachers. You. You said next year would be different. You said you wouldn't waste your potential. You said you'd become someone you respect. So answer this honestly. If nothing changes, will 2026 reward you or quietly expose you? Because 2026 isn't special. It's not magic. It's just a mirror. It reflects what your daily habits actually are. And right now, most students are living the same hidden pattern. Big dreams in their head, small actions in their day, and excuses at night. You didn't lie to yourself. You meant those promises. But intention without structure becomes self-deception. Look at your average day. You wake up tired. You check your phone just for a minute. You delay the hard task. You wait for the right mood. You tell yourself you'll start properly tomorrow. And at night, when guilt shows up, you do the most dangerous thing possible. You make another promise. Not a system, not a plan, just another promise. Promises without systems don't change lives. They just delay disappointment. And deep down, you already know this, because your current system is chaos. Here's the real enemy, and most students won't admit it. It's not laziness. It's not low intelligence. It's fake productivity. Fake productivity looks like watching study routines instead of studying. Saving motivational reels instead of acting. Making perfect notes you never revise. Cleaning your desk like it's progress. Watching a day in the life of a productive student while avoiding your own life. It feels productive. It gives your brain dopamine, but it produces nothing. And if your days produce nothing, your future will also produce nothing. Just older regrets. Life doesn't care about your intentions. Life cares about your output. School won't chase you forever. College won't rescue you. Teachers won't remind you. Parents won't always protect you. One day, the world stops being gentle. And the scariest part? There's no alarm when you start falling behind. It happens quietly. One skipped session, one delayed chapter, one comfort choice repeated daily. You keep saying, "Abhi time hai." That sentence ruins lives, because time doesn't disappear suddenly. It leaks. 5 minutes here, 10 minutes there, an hour gone without resistance. Then comparison begins. You open Instagram or TikTok, you see someone your age moving forward, studying harder, building skills, getting opportunities. Not because they're smarter, but because they were consistent. And that's when confidence cracks. You tell yourself, maybe I'm not made for this. Maybe I'm too late. Maybe I don't have what they have. But here's the truth you need to hear. You're not behind because you started late. You're behind because you keep restarting. Every Monday, every new month, every new year, you reset instead of build. Here are the 3 lies that quietly destroy students. Lie number 1, readiness. I'll start when I feel ready. Ready is a feeling. Goals are real. Lie number 2, time. I still have time. You don't. You have today. Lie number 3, resources. I need better tools. Better habits beat better tools every time. So stop asking the wrong question. Don't ask, will I achieve my goals in 2026? Ask this instead. What kind of person reaches 2026 without regret? Because goals don't win. Systems win. The student who wins isn't gifted. He's not special. He just stopped negotiating with his future. Discipline isn't punishment. It's self-respect in action. It's showing up when motivation disappears. It's doing boring work without applause. It's choosing progress over comfort, daily. Now pause for a second. This part matters. If you're still watching, you're already not the average student. So here's a plan that's simple enough to follow and brutal enough to work. Rule 1. One fixed daily work block. Same time, same place. No debate. If you can scroll daily, you can work daily. Start with 60 minutes, then grow. Rule 2. One skill only. Not 5 dreams, not 10 goals. One thing that actually moves your life forward. Pause here. If you do just these 2 consistently, you're already ahead of most students. Rule 3. Stop negotiating. No after this. No when I feel motivated. No waiting for a better phone, a better laptop, or a better life. Action creates motivation, not the other way around. Track proof, not feelings. Every day, write one line. What did I finish today? Finished, not planned. Because confidence isn't built by big promises. It's built by kept ones. You don't rise to your goals, you fall to your habits. So if you want a better 2026, stop waiting for a perfect year. Build an honest day. Then repeat it. You still have time, but not unlimited time. And your future self is watching what you do today. If this video made you uncomfortable, good. That means you still care. So don't save this video and feel productive. Don't jump to another one. Do one thing. One action. Right now. Open the book. Start the timer. Begin the first 10 minutes. And if you want content that doesn't comfort you, but actually changes you, stay here. You promised yourself a better life. Now, either build it or let 2026 expose you.